everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are gonna solve the issue of the Steam having no connection error. So if you're looking out the fixes for that, you may follow up these steps and you should be able to do it. So the quick fixes are restarting your Steam application and your PC itself. So if you have opened the Steam application, you can close it up completely, clicking on this cross option, and then wait for some certain time and then relaunch it from your shortcut again. Apart from that, you can restart your network gear or power cycle your modem and your router as well, and that should also do it. Sometimes the servers may be down, you can check it out as well. Also, you can clear the download cache for Steam. Open up Steam for that, and you can look out for your Steam option in the top left and select the settings from there. And once you go to settings, you can go to in-game and look out for the delete browser data, cached files, cookies, etc. You can select this option right there, delete, or look out for the storage also sometimes, or the cloud, and just go over and clear the cache for your Steam application itself. And also temporarily disable any kind of firewall or antivirus available while you are using the Steam, and see if that is also the issue. And also, if there's any kind of background applications running in the background, you can close it off completely. That might be interfering, especially VPNs or any other launchers that is currently launched on your device. And apart from that, you can ensure that your network and address drivers are current. You can just go over and go to Windows plus X, go to your device manager, hit enter. And once you hit enter, you can find your network adapters right there. Expand it up and back click on it. Select update driver and update your drivers for your network adapters. And try accessing the Steam once again on your device. And that should probably work everything. If not, you can delete everything in your Steam folder except the steam.exe. For that, you can go to your My Folders and go to your disk where it is located. Go to Program Files. Now look out for your Steam. And except for steam.exe, you can just go and uninstall the app cache and everything other and try accessing your Steam application once again. Also try connecting to a very different network or using your phone's hotspot to rule out the ISP issues and see if that fixes the issue. Probably one of the solutions should work out for you. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.